Hey guys, Wayne Jennings here, just out for a little day hike. And of course, when I'm out and about, you know me, I like to take my GoPro camera and record all my adventures. And when I'm out on a longer trip, well, I'll end up going through batteries, so I always carry some spares with me. But I found something new that I can take along, and that is a portable battery charger. This is made by XTAR. They're a company that makes all kinds of battery chargers. And they sent this to me to check out. It's a brand new product. They just wanted me to do some field testing. Basically, it has a little hinged lid there with a magnet, so it stays closed. But inside there are two slots, so you can recharge two GoPro batteries. And it will take batteries from cameras from Series 5 up to Series 10. And the nice thing about this, it has a built-in power bank, so you can be off-grid and still recharge your batteries. The XTAR GP2 ships with all the items shown here. Now, in addition to the GP2 battery charger itself, you get a couple of little adapters which allow you to charge older series GoPro batteries. It comes with a USB Type-C cable and a plug-in AC power supply. You get an instruction booklet and a large drawstring pouch to store everything in. The XTAR GP2 battery charger is fairly solid and durable looking. It seems to be made of this hard plastic material. The bottom has these rubberized feet, anti-slip, so that it won't slide around on you when it's sitting down on a level surface. And it weighs in at about 206 grams. That's about 7.3 ounces. And that weight is attributed to the fact that this is in fact a power bank. There are batteries inside here to charge your GoPro batteries. This comes in two versions. There's a 5,200 milliamp hour power bank version. There's also a 6,700 milliamp hour version available. And of course, because there are batteries inside, you have to charge it up. And on the back here, there's a little rubberized cover that opens up, revealing a USB port. It ships with a USB Type-C cable for charging. It also ships with a power plug adapter, so you can plug it into a wall outlet. Of course, you could also just use the cable and plug it into a computer as well. So that's how you charge it up. And then once it's charged up, you can put GoPro batteries inside and charge them. So let's just open it up here. And if you have a look inside, you will see there are two slots, so you can charge two batteries. Now, it does not charge them at the same time. It will charge the first one, then when it's charged, it will automatically charge the second one. And you notice they're fairly wide because this is designed to accept GoPro 9 and 10 batteries, which are the newer, wider ones. However, you may have an older style battery like this GoPro 8 battery, which is a lot thinner. It doesn't actually fit in there. Well, it fits in there, but it's very loose. So they include this little adapter, which allows you to use the older style batteries from GoPro 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you just take the battery and line it up. There's a little slot here where the tab can stick through. So you just put it in that little adapter, and then you just drop it in. And as you can see, it fits in there perfectly. And close the cover there, and you'll see 4 LEDs on the front here that indicate the power of the power bank. Obviously, when all 4 are lit up, the power bank is fully charged, and as it gets used, those LEDs diminish. This red LED indicates that that GoPro battery is charging. Now, when it's charged, that red LED turns green. Also, I just want to show you inside here, beside the two charging ports, there are these two little cradles that will allow you to carry micro SD cards, like so, and they just kind of snap in place and fit in. So it's just a nice way you can carry 2 extra micro SD cards with you and charge 2 batteries. So it's a great little portable device to take out when you're camping or backpacking or just traveling and you want a source to charge your batteries without having to find a wall outlet, because this has a built-in power bank, so you can basically just charge on the go. So in conclusion, I was very impressed with the XTAR GP2 battery charger. I mean, it's a really simple concept, a charger with a built-in power bank. That way you can charge your batteries wherever you are. Now, I've only had this a couple weeks, so I haven't taken it on any, extended trips, but I've been using it a lot on day hikes. I mean, I'll start out in the morning, I'll be shooting video, then I stop for lunch and I realize, my camera battery, it's half. So while I'm making lunch, I'll just put it in here, have my lunch, have a coffee. Then when it's time to go, the battery is fully charged. Take it out, put it back in the camera, and hike out of there. So whether you're using it to, top up your battery halfway through the day or fully charge it at the end of the day, it's just a great way to have this portable power source to charge your batteries wherever you are.